Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you're all doing well. So in today's video, we will be discussing the best 5 binoculars of 2022. All the links to the products are given in the description below. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Opticron Explorer WA ED-R. This walks the fine line between compact and full-sized, making them simple to pack for a long trip and carry all day without sacrificing low light performance. Eye relief, or exit pupil, which is perfect for birding, general nature watching, wooded hunting, and sightseeing. Face-corrected BAK4 roof prism with proprietary high-transmission R-type coatings, extra-low dispersion glass lenses, and anti-reflection fully multi-coated optical elements all work together to maximize light transmission and virtually eliminate chromatic and spherical aberrations, resulting in sharp, clear, high-contrast images with accurate color fidelity across the broad field of view. This uses an aluminum alloy and polycarbonate mix for the chassis to minimize weight without compromising strength or durability in general. Rubber armor is wrapped around the body to protect it from drops and collisions, and to help with a slip-resistant grip, especially in chilly and rainy weather. The housing is nitrogen-filled, and O-ring sealed for long-lasting performance and water and fog-proof performance in all weather conditions. 2 tethered objective lens covers and a one-piece ocular rainguard are also included, keeping your caps and covers close at all times. Leica Monovid 8x20. This is a small 4-inch monocular with a roof prism design that is perfect for carrying in your pocket. A wrist strap and a carry bag with a leather-like appearance and magnet fasteners are conveniently included to keep it secure while being transported. It is also stated that the monocular is weather resistant. Although red and silver versions are also offered, it is typically only available in matte black, with that recognizable red logo being its most noticeable characteristic. The 8x figure on this monocular, like on a pair of binoculars, refers to its magnification, and the 20 figure, like on a couple of binoculars, refers to the diameter of its lens, which is 20 millimeters. We found it challenging to steadily hold this monocular for extended periods because of its slim and very light weight, yet having a robust field nature. A much larger spotting scope or set of binoculars will be preferred if you wish to see a subject for longer than just a short glimpse and want something more comfortable for sustained use. Despite the device's small size, it offers a degree of sophistication that defines its diminutive size. Endurance ED 8x42. Hawk has decided on the modern single hinge design with the new Endurance, which I particularly like. The exterior is protected by a textured hard rubber armor, which is quite well finished and available in black and green in the type under examination here. Overall, it looks like a pretty well made item. This full-sized item has a compact design and a housing made of magnesium alloy, contributing to its relatively light weight, tipping the scales at just 652 grams. Since magnesium alloy is sometimes regarded as the luxury material only utilized in high-end models, it is impressive to see it employed for the chassis at this price point. The balanced design, strategically placed thumb indents, textured rubber grips on the exterior, and the small single hinge construction all contribute to a comfortable viewing experience when you lift it to your eyes. You may use this for extended periods without becoming overly exhausted. I occasionally would grab these and feel the lugs where the strap attached digging into my hand, which was a little blemish on the handling experience. It wasn't a major inconvenience and could be readily fixed by adjusting my grip slightly, but it was annoying nonetheless. For this item, focusing happens quickly and precisely. If anything, the focus wheel turns more stiffly than I'm used to. Given that the Frontier ED had a similarly rigid focus, I'm confident Hawk made this choice on purpose. Celestron Outland X 10x50. This is the perfect optic for quick glassing while on the road, whether you're out in the backcountry, at the stadium, inside a museum, or watching a game from the stands. It combines the performance of a powerful binocular with a space-saving design factor. The primary smartphone adapter from Celestron lets you take pictures and videos with your phone's eyepiece for quick and straightforward editing, sharing, and posting. In low-light situations, such as those at dawn or dusk, and while staring into dense brush or canopies, the huge lenses capture plenty of light, which, paired with the 10 times power, results in a comfortable exit pupil that will completely cover most fully dilated pupils. Anti-reflection multi-coated optics, a wide field of view, and an accommodating eye relief round out these performance qualities. Together, they create an immersive and comfortable observational experience characterized by sharp, contrasty views with accurate color rendering. This may be tripod mounted on its built-in 1/4 inch to 20 socket for extended observation sessions, to prevent arm strain or to eliminate vibrations while using the smartphone digiscoping adapter. Its optical tube is armored with a protective slip-resisting coating, nitrogen-filled and O-ring sealed to make it waterproof and immersive to internal fogging. For ease of use, the Monocular comes with a case that can be worn on your belt or pack strap and a tethered objective cap that won't get lost. Bushnell Equinox Z2. This portable gadget can be carried without any problems. A CCD chip is used by the Monocular's digital night vision system to process incoming infrared light. To make the images bright and visible, it amplifies light with the aid of a photocathode tube. It is appropriate for boating in shallow light settings and hunters, hikers, campers, and wildlife observers. It is comparable to Gen 1 and Gen 2 night vision in terms of quality. Equinox Z lets you see up to 750 yards in the meager light. It also allows you to record voice and video. The business ensures your coverage in case of any defects by providing a limited lifetime warranty. Given its value and functionality, especially if you're searching for a night vision device for leisure, you shouldn't pass it up. 6 distinct sizes are offered and are suitable for various outdoor uses. 4.54 is the most popular size because it has good ocular capabilities and doesn't feel too heavy in your palm when you're on the run.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.